With example 1 of converting unit rates, we're given that the fastest horse, according to the Guinness Book of World Records, ran at approximately 44 miles per hour. And we want to know how fast was the horse running in miles per minute. So first we need to recognize that we're not converting miles, that stays the same, but we're looking at, instead of per hour, per minute. So how many minutes are there in an hour? There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So we're starting off with 44 miles per 1 hour. We want to get rid of the hour, so we're looking at 1 hour. Notice the hour is going to go on top so that these will cancel. And 60 minutes, so the hours cancel, and we're left with 44 miles per 60 minutes. And now we'll just go ahead and divide that. First, let's reduce to, it'd be 11 miles per 15 minutes. And again, that's dividing each by 4. 44 divided by 4 is 11. 60 divided by 4 is 15. And now you can either use your calculator, or to make sure that we're keeping up with our prerequisites with what we should already know, let's do 11 divided by 15 using long division. How many times will 15 go into 110? So we're looking at, 10's obviously going to be too much. 9's going to be too much. 15 times 8 would be just a little too much, because we're looking at 10 times 8 is 80, 5 times 8 is 40, so that's 120 when we add those together. So we're going to go ahead and go with 7. 5 times 7 is 35. That's a difference of 5. Bring down your 0. So how many times will 15 go into 50? Well, if we use 4, that's going to be too much. That would be 60. 15 times 4 is 60, so we'll use 3. So that's 45. And 50 minus 45, that's going to be 5 again. Bring down your 0. Uh-oh, here comes a pattern. We're looking at its 0.73 with the 3 repeating. And we were told in the problem that we can round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. So 44 miles per hour is approximately 0.73 miles per minute. And again, the process for that is to figure out how many minutes there were in an hour, and then just set up what we're given and cancel the units that you need to cancel to be left with the units that we're wanting, miles per minute, and then simplify. And if we're asked to use a decimal, which if it says round to the nearest hundredth, that's indicating that we need to use a decimal. Then we use long division or our calculators and then round to the nearest hundredth. And we end up with 0.73 miles per minute.